past Saturday. I hope you got a Jello shot because they were a huge hit. We sold out of them. We mixed them up with our wines and you could totally taste the wine in them. They were excellent. So they were such a big hit. We're gonna feature them again this Saturday at our 90s event. And we're kind of changing it up. So it may be a surprise what wine we include this weekend.
Yeah, we could do the pineapple with our Riesling. We could do strawberry with our classic Rosé again, which I think is what we have
yes,
today.
This is strawberry.
Super excited about it. It's one of my favorite flavors. And then you could also do something crazy like a grape flavored with our classic red.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
Yeah, for those red wine drinkers. Mix it up in any direction you want to go.
These are so good and so easy to make at home. See the description below if you want to make these at home for yourself with our wine. They're really good, really big party hit. And then come out and join us this weekend for 90s event and get you one of our Childress Vineyards wine Jello shots. Cheers. Happy Wine Not Wednesday.
I put double in mine.